for Science, Technology, IT, BT, Planning and Statistics, Sri Sar Patil ji, Sri Amren Sinha ji, Special Secretary and Development Commissioner MSME, Ashok Chandak, Krishnamurthy, Santosh Kumar, participants, ladies and gentlemen, and particularly the awardee, those who are going to be awarded tonight, this evening. Thank you for giving me a brief opportunity to talk about. So I must congratulate all the award winners and say that like we did miracles in the field of IT, where the contribution of IT in the India GDP is more than 8%, and IT sector employs about 3 million engineers. The exports from the IT sector is about $89 billion. And for last 2 decades, IT has contributed tremendously to this country in way of creating brand equity and by creating modern jobs and also inculcating the culture of innovation in this country. Taking the clue from there, particularly the ESDM industry is so interlaced with the IT because the ESDM systems are basically supported by IT. I am sure that the fabulous companies are also doing well, and they are also getting into R&D and innovation. Riding on the demands that have been created in this country for the ESDM goods, and based on the measures that the government has taken to meet the challenges coming out of the imports, burgeoning imports, which are stated to be 400 billion, as all of us are aware that by the time we will be able to manufacture only $100 billion. So this difference of $300 billion has posed a lot of challenge for us, right from manufacturing to innovation to product creation and IPR creation. And for this, we all have to embrace the innovation in our center stream and main theme of the functioning. And with the kind of support that the governments at all levels, with the policies and incentives and other promotional measures that all the stakeholders are taking, and particularly we can see that there is a seamless collaboration between the government, industry association, and all the stakeholders, which is evident from today's function, where you can see that the Development Commissioner and Honorable Ministers talking to each other and deciding things on panel. So this is the level of interaction, seamless interaction that is happening in this country. And I am sure with this kind of environment, we'll be able to meet the target that we have for 2020. With this, I would once again thank ISF for giving me a brief opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Omkar Rai.